A tutorial by Learn Fast Studios.
Welcome back, guys. In this session, let us try to learn how we can perform the repeated tasks using the loops in Python. Now our case scenario is to display hello for 10 times. Normally, in order to do this program, what we have to do is we need to open a new file and we have to write down the statements print hello. Likewise, I need to copy paste this for 10 number of times. But this obviously is going to increase the code width. So a task to be repeated, we need to use the iterative statements. There are various iterative statements which are available in any programming language. Especially in the Python, we will be having two types of the iterative statements. Those are while and for. In order to use this while loop, let us first see the syntax for this while loop. The syntax for the while loop is given just like this. While condition or expression colon followed by the statement list. This colon followed by the statement list is said to be as suit. While condition returns the true value, then it executes the statement list that is denoted within the suit. Try to replace the code which we already wrote to print hello for 10 times with while loop. Let me remove all this code. I want to perform printing hello, not for one time but rather for the 10 times. In order to do that, I need to use while. The condition is, let us take one counter, let us initialize that counter I equal to 0. Now let us write down the condition over the counter I less than 10 colon, and then we need to write down the statement list here. What this code will do, initially it I points to the location where 0 gets stored, and until this I value becomes less than 10, the statements that you write in the print will continuously get executed. So, in order to ensure that we have to finish this task within the 10 iterations, within the 10 times, what I need to do is within the loop, I need to include one more statement, that is I is equal to I plus 1. What will happen? Initially, the I value will be 0 and it will verify the condition. Since 0 is less than 10, this is true. Then it executes the statement suit, and then in this statement suit, we have only one print statement, which is hello. And after printing hello, we are incrementing the counter by 1. Now the I value will become 1 and then it will re-enter this while loop here. Now 1 is, since 1 is less than 10, hence again the condition is true, then it will print hello and then increment the I value by 1, and then now I will become as 2, and this continues so on and so forth. Once the I value become 10, then it will verify the condition. Since 10 is not less than 10, hence it will stop executing and go to the statement n. That means the statement after while loop is written. But since in our code we don't have any statements after this while loop, we will terminate the code. So now let us save this code as an hello 10, and then let us try to execute this code, run the code. In order to run this code, as we have done many of the exercises earlier in our earlier videos, you already knew that you need to use the function f5. And you can observe hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, hello 5, hello 6, hello 7, 8, 9, and then 10. That is how with very minimal code we could able to print hello for 10 times. Otherwise we need to write down the 10 lines of the code. Now let us take down the one more scenario to print the numbers 1 to 10 using the same while loop. Let's get started. Do the code. Let us take a counter I and initialize that with 0, and then while I less than 10, let us print, instead of hello, let us print the value I. And then after that, let us try to increment the value I equal to I plus 1. That's it. And now let us run this code. Before executing, it will prompt us to save our code. Let us save this code. Print 1 to 10. That's it. Now, as our expected output is to print the values 1 to 10, but we got the values 0 to 9. Why this has happened? Because file open, yeah, here we initialize the I value with 0. If we change this I value from 0 to 1, and then if we change the condition I less than or equal to 10, then we will get the desired output. Let us execute this code. Now we got the values 1 to 10. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Have a great day.